Every day is a new day, not on just calendar in the real life. But let me ask you something honestly. So what if you wasted whole day? So what if you spend your time on useless things? So what if you every day you said I will start from tomorrow and never really started? So what? Is your life over because of that? No. And listen carefully. This story is about me, this story is about you, and this story is about all of us who keep delaying our all life. Every morning the sun rises quietly, and it doesn't ask what you did yesterday, it doesn't ask how much time you wasted, and it doesn't ask whom you tried to please. It rises always, and it gives you a new day. Maya was just like us. She was not lazy, she was not careless. She wanted to grow, she wanted to learn, she wanted to become better. But every day she delayed. She wasted time on things that didn't matter. She spent her energy trying to make others happy. Uh, She kept proving herself to people who never really valued her efforts. Slowly, without realizing it, she gave away her most precious things, her time. And this is where I want to be honest. I have done the same. I wasted my things on useless things. I wasted my time to trying to people, and I wasted my time to gain someone trust, trying to explain myself, trying to be enough to everyone. And in the process I lost my valuable time, time that never comes back. But today I understand something very clearly. People may forget what you did for them, people may love even after you give your best, but time never returns. Maya also realized these things one night. She sat alone in her room and holding her phone in hand, her screen time short hour wasted, and her heart felt heavy. She worshipped. I gave many times to everyone, but not to myself. That night, guilty her heart deeply. She thought, I know better. I still wasted time. I delayed my own growth. And then come that day dangerous thought. It's too late now. The next morning changed everything. The sun rose again, and Maya understood something powerful. Yesterday does not follow us into today. She asked herself calmly, if I wasted yesterday, does that mean today is also wasted? And for the first time, she answered with hope, no. She stood in front of the mirror. She looked tired. She looks and she looked disappointed, but instead of blaming herself, she spoke honestly. Yes, I wasted my time. Yes, I procrastinated. Yes, I gave my energy to the wrong things. So what? So what if I see wasted my time? So what if I see spend years pleasing others? So what if she didn't learn anything till now? Every day, every day is still a new day. She said something that changed her mindset. If I have not learned anything yet, it doesn't mean I can never learn. If I not started yet, it doesn't mean I can't start today. That day, Maya didn't try to fix our whole life. She didn't aim for perfections. She just started 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. Those 5 minutes were uncomfortable, her mind and her fear tried to stop her, but she stayed at. And when the 5 minutes ended, she felt something new. And real life, days passed. Some days were good, some days were bad. Yes, she procrastinated again. Yes, she wasted time again. But now she understood herself better. Instead of quitting, she said, "Okay, I slept today, but tomorrow it is still a new day." And this is where the story becomes ours, because many of us do the same. We wasted time, we please people, we delay our dreams, and then we feel guilty. But guilty alone does not change life, and decision does. So listen carefully. So what if you wasted your time? So what if you gave your energy to wrong people? So what if you learn nothing till now? As long as today is here, nothing is lost. This story is not just Maya's stories. It is my story. It is your story. It is the story of everyone who finally understand that their time is precious. Every day is a new day, not because life becomes easy, but because you get a new chance to choose. Choose yourself this time. Choose your growth this time. Choose to start. You don't find direction by thinking. You find direction by moving. So start today. Start now. Even it is small, start now. You may fail again. You may fail again. You may procrastinate again. That's okay. What matter it is that you understand now what you can't unsee the truth. Every day is a new day, and today can be your turning point. And if this video felt honest, if this story felt like your own life, then please like this video, share it with someone who need this reminder, and subscribe to the channel. And from today, stop wasting your precious time. Stop living with others. Stop living with yourself, your dreams. Even small step is matter. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.